Hi guys, so today I'm going to show you how you can set up a Google AdSense account and how you can link that to your YouTube channel if you've got a YouTube channel, as well as linking that to your website, so actually embedding the ads into your website and hopefully earn some money from them as well. So just to give you an example of what I'm talking about, so if you go here to a YouTube channel, and this is from Carsondens, check him out, he's great. As you can see, there is an advert here.
Now for a test run.
And if people watch the advert, then you get paid, for example. And also if you go to my website, for example, and if you look here at the right sidebar, you can see an advert here from Google, and then there's another advert here from YouTube, and then at the bottom I've got another advert. And this is just for demonstration purposes, but again there's one here, so you can really place the ads anywhere you want on your website. You can put them here as a banner, and whenever people click on the ad, then you also get paid as well. And if you start making money, then that money will appear in the home area here. So if we click on that, you'll see that this is my current balance at the moment. Alright, so let me show you how to set up a AdSense account. So the first thing that you want to do is, and the easiest way to get to it is just go to Google. And once you're in Google, type into the search area Google AdSense. Okay, and once you're here, click on Google AdSense or Google Ads, and then click on Get Started Now. Now it asks you here, yes, proceed to Google account sign in or create a new Google account. So if you haven't already got a Google account, you will need to set one up. However, it is ridiculously easy to set up. So let's do that now. So let's say, for example, I don't have a Google email account. Alright, and I'm going to call this test demo. Current email address, so you need to put an email address that you already own in here, and I've set up one for this demonstration purpose. So the email address is testdemo37@yahoo.co.uk. Password, let's call it, okay, let's do that one again. Date of birth, I'm just going to put anything. And telephone number. It's important to provide the right details, and I'm just doing this for demonstration purposes, but if you were really going to set up a Google account, I do recommend that you set up the right information, because you're going to get paid from Google later on, so you want everything to be right, really. So once you've put in your phone number, then just verify that you're not a robot. Type into the numbers in this area here, and then agree to the terms and conditions set by Google and click next step. And once you've set up your account with Google, all you need to do is verify this account. So let's click verify now. Okay, so agree. Voila, so that's all done. It says thanks for creating a Google account, use it to subscribe to channels on YouTube, video chat for free, save favorite places, and so on and so forth. So let's go back to Google AdSense here, because that's what we want to do. You want to set up a Google AdSense account, and here you just need to put your website address. So in my case that's naturalvita.net. And if you have multiple websites, once you set up your AdSense account for one of your websites, let's say for example your main website, you can then add more website addresses into your Google AdSense account, so you can link all of these different websites with one Google AdSense account. You don't need to set up individual AdSense accounts for each website, which is really good. Okay, next step is choose your language. So let's say I'm going to say English, because that's what we're speaking right now. Alright, so English. Let's continue. Alright, now here it says country of territory, so I'm going to go with the UK. Time zone, so again choose a time zone that suits you. In my case it will be London. I'm just going to leave it at individual, but it doesn't really matter here, I think. Not that I know of anyway. Pay name, so type in your name. Then here you type in your address. So make sure that you fill this form out accurately, because Google can check this, and if you give wrong information, you know, it might either slow down your opportunity to put ads on your website or on your YouTube channel, and it just really messes things up. So just try and be as accurate as possible. Because of demonstration purposes, I'm not going to add my real address, but of course if you were to fill out this form, please do add your real address. Okay. And how did you get to know Adsense? So again, you can just, wherever you heard about them, let's put online forum for example. If you click here, that means that you will get ads from Google, you know, basically newsletters or market research or things like that. So if you don't want that, just click on, you know, say it was here, so just click on this button here. And then you can even choose what you want Google to send you. In my case, I don't really want them to send me anything, so I'm going to just leave all these blank. So once you've filled out the application form, then you just hit submit my application, and Google will then go over to your website, check your website to make sure that it abides by all the requirements that they set. And then if it does, they will send you a confirmation to say that you have been accepted, and then you can start putting ads into your website. Now, it is very rarely that Google doesn't accept people or people's websites, and some of them are, for example, if it's not original content, then they might not accept your website. So be sure to always use or to post material which is from you, and just generally content which is original. So once you hit submit my application, this is the kind of email that you will receive from Google. So I'll show you now what I received from Google when I signed up with them a few months ago. Now, to check if you've been accepted by Google, you'll need to go to your Gmail account, and the way you can access this is simply by going to the Google homepage here, and then on the right hand side corner at the top here where it says Gmail, just click on that. And here's the email sent by Adsense. So they have reviewed my application, and it says here your application has been successfully reviewed. Now you need to create your first ad unit and place the ad code on Natural Vita to fully activate your account. So this is what I need to do now, and if you just click on get started now, and this is basically your Google AdSense page where you can really customize adverts and then get the link which you can then put into your website. So this is what you'll see, and if you go to the home page, that's where Google will tell you how much you get paid and things like that. I think you need to make over $10 to activate your account, and then they will send you a activation code or a PIN number via post, which you then need to put into your account. And here, if you look down here, it says your PIN will be sent by post between 3 to 4 days, and it takes about 2 to 4 weeks to arrive, and then I'll just need to put the PIN in here and submit PIN, and then I can start getting paid and link my bank account details or PayPal account details to Google AdSense to actually get paid. So that's how it works. Anyways, let's go back now to creating an advert. So to create an ad, all you need to do is click on my ads. You'll be taken to this page here, and as you can see, I've already got 2 ad campaigns running. However, if you're first starting up, then you will not have anything here. So what you'll need to do then is click on new ad unit, And I'm not really going to go into detail about this, but basically these are the recommended ad units that you can choose from, or if you want to have more options, you can, if you want more horizontal banner options, then just click on that and you've got all of these. If you want rectangular options, you've got these. The one on my website at the moment is this one here, I think, 300 by 250. And if you're just wondering what I'm talking about, this is what I mean. So this is a square advert. Yeah. Okay. And then, so if you go back, so let's say, for example, we want a 300 by 250 ad. And for this tutorial, I'm just going to click or choose text and display ad, which is something like this. Yeah, just text and display. Alright, and then you can also choose the color that you want, so let's go with minimalist. And then you can also customize your advert. I don't really spend time customizing it, but it is a good idea, especially if you've got a lot of traffic. You can customize it, and the way you do that is just click on copy and edit, and then you can choose the border. So for example, I've got a brownish bluish website, so I can make the border brown. The title I could make blue if I wanted, for example, and I can make the background let's say light blue, for example. So you can really play around with this. You can change the font size, and then once you're finished, you can save that. Let's give it a name, of course. Let's call it Dorothy 2. But I'm not going to, for the actual background color, I'm gonna leave it white. Okay, and then let's save it. Alright, great. So that's all done. And then you can also choose backup ads if you want. I don't really have backup ads because I prefer there to just be a blank space if there are no relevant ads for my website. Because if you've just got any kind of ad here, it can look like you're spamming people. Or you can also show other ads from another URL if you wanted, or you can fill it with a solid color, but that could be a bit strong. Anyways, once you're done, click save and get code. Let's name that, sorry. Let's call it Dorothy 2. And click save and get code. So all you do is copy, highlight it first, copy it. And something to note is just make sure that this is synchronous. I realize whenever I click on asynchronous, it doesn't seem to appear. So anyways, this works for me, so synchronous. And that's it. And then you go to so here's the ad showing on my display menu. And then all you need to do now is paste the code that you've just copied into your website, and I'll show you how to do that now. Alright, so once you've logged into your admin area for your website, you want to go to your dashboard, and then here where it says appearance, just click on widgets. The reason why I'm clicking on widgets is because I want my ad, so I'll show you what I mean. I want my ad to actually be on the, or in the right sidebar here. So as you can see from the picture, I want it to be here. So that's why I'm going to put it as a widget. But if you want it to be on your main page, then I'll show you how to do that in a minute as well. So if you want it to be a widget, so where it says right sidebar, you need to drag it here. And the way you do that is simply by grabbing a text box here and drag it all the way up to your right sidebar. You can choose where you want it. I'm going to put it right at the bottom. Good. And then you paste the code which you've just copied from Adsense here. Paste it. That's all you do. And then click save. And that's it. That's how easy it is. And you should see the advert appearing on your website once you've done that. We should see the ad right here. So here's the newly created ad which we well just made with Google AdSense. So that's how you can add your adverts to your right sidebar. And if you want to add it to your page, for example, at your dashboard here, just click on Pages, and then choose the page where you want your ad to show. And I'm going to click here. So for example, beginners and pre-intermediate, just for demonstration purposes. And once you're in this page area, you want to click on text, and that's where you can then copy and paste the code. I'm going to put it right at the end of the page, so here I'm going to go down, yeah, and going to paste that code, that same code that we copied from Google AdSense, which is this one here. And something to note is just make sure that this is synchronous. I realize whenever I click on asynchronous, it doesn't seem to appear, so anyways, this works for me, so synchronous. And then update. And your advert should show right at the bottom. Here it is. There is the advert. And whenever people click on the ad, then you will hopefully generate some money from them. So that's how you can actually add ads to your website. Now there is something to note with Google AdSense which I just need to mention. Now first, if you're not getting a lot of traffic to your website, I don't recommend spending an awful lot of time, you know, customizing the ads. I think it's a better idea to work on the content that you are creating to make it valuable content, and then once you get enough visitors, then you can start customizing your ads. But you need to prioritize what you want to focus on at first, and quality content is very important. Another thing is that the amount of money that you actually make with Google AdSense is all depends on the amount of traffic that you're getting to your website. So if you're not getting an awful lot of traffic, then again you're not going to make that much money from it. So again, you need to prioritize your time and make sure you create quality content and advertising to your own websites, and then eventually you will start making some good old money with Google AdSense. Okay, now just very quickly I'm going to show you how you can link your YouTube channel to Google AdSense as well, so that you don't just make money from your website by linking your website to Google AdSense, but also your YouTube channel if you've got one. And I've got a YouTube channel here. Let me just sign into it. So I've got a new channel which is called Papa English, and it hasn't been linked to Google AdSense yet, so there is no monetization set on this one yet. So the way that you monetize this YouTube channel is very simple. All you do is go to Video Manager. In your left side bar here, just click on Channel, and then where it says monetization, click on Enable, and click Enable My Account. Make sure you read the terms and conditions, and once you do, click on I've read and agreed to the terms above. So obviously, again, you want to be creating your own material, so your original material. If you are using copyright, then you need to make sure that you get permission to use it and things like that. But just read the terms and conditions. Now you also need to make sure that you don't click on the adverts yourself. If you do, then Google will know and they will ban you from using AdSense, and that's not great, because once you get banned, it's very difficult and very unlikely to get back to Google AdSense. So just keep it all clean. Okay, and then accept. And here Google is showing you how to monetize. So actions and monetize, which we'll need to do. So let's do got it. So once you've monetized your account, okay, and it says good standing, so you need to verify your account. They will basically, Google will send you a verification code to your phone number basically. So you need to make sure you give an accurate number, and then you can verify your account. But I'm not going to do that now. I'm just going to show you how you can monetize your account. So although that is part of the monetization process. So once you do that, now, and where it says how will I get paid, click on that. And it says here, payments are managed through Google AdSense account. You must associate an AdSense account with your YouTube account. So just click on associate an AdSense account. And this is obviously assuming that you've already set up your AdSense, which I just showed you how to do. And then click on next. Oops. Here I'm going to sign in with my already existing account. So it's English. This is my YouTube information, so the channel, and accept association. So click on that. And that's all you need to do. It says here the AdSense account that you've associated has now been approved. And that's how you can link your YouTube channel to AdSense and hopefully start making money from AdSense. And just one last thing to note. And if you start making money, then that money will appear in the home area here. So if we click on that, you'll see that this is my current balance at the moment. Well, I hope this tutorial was useful, and thank you very much for joining me, and I'll see you in the next video where I'll be sharing more tips and tricks on how to YouTube and website better. Thank you very much, and don't forget to comment, like and subscribe. Thank you. Bye.